How to sell digital wedding planning guides on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign in button to create your new account by clicking on register, and if you already have an account you just go with sign in and then you click on the shop manager button in your top right. So let's wait for it to load first, and then we click on the shop manager button, and then let's start from the beginning. So this is how you can set your shop page. So the first thing is the shop preferences. So you choose the language, the country, and the shop currency. So here let's choose the United States dollar, this one, which is the first one. Then we click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for our shop. So for me, I'm just going to use my niche's name as the name of the shop. As you can see in here, digital wedding planning guides. And then let's remove the spaces between these words, and let's try to shorten it to be between 4 and 20 characters. And here we have the name is already available. And then click on save and continue. Then we create a listing for our product. So we start with the pictures, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here you can add as much pictures as you want, but at least you will need to add just one picture. As you can see in here, please upload at least one photo or picture. So in order to proceed to the next step, you will need to fill all of the important information in here. So to know the important information, just click on save and continue, and every important detail you will find it in red. As you can see in here, those are in the red color. So I think you get the idea. So after you're done with your pictures, you proceed to the video. So here, if you already have a video, you can just upload it. If not, bring your products to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for the quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions, and learn how to make videos that sell by clicking on this link. And then we have the listing details, where you add a title for your product and you answer these questions. You choose the category of that product. So I'm going to show you how. Let's first type the title of our product, then who made it. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Recently. And let's choose a category for the product. Let's go with the first one, and then we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color, which is optional. Choose a color, the secondary color, occasion, and you have the renewal options if you want automatic renewal or a manual renewal. Then you have the type, if your product is a physical product or a digital product. Then you have the description, so make sure to type a good description for your product. Start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. And then we have the production partners, so you can add a new production partner, or you can just leave it empty if you don't have one. Then you have the section tags materials, which are all optional. It doesn't matter if you skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing, which is very important. As you can see, we have a red color in here, so make sure to type a good price for your product. And the domestic global pricing if you want to turn it on or off. Then we have the quantity, type as much as you have in that product. Then the SKU number if you have one, which is optional if you don't have it. And if there are any variations in your product, click on add variations to add them. If not, just cancel. Then we have the personalization if you want to turn it on or off. Then we have the shipping settings. And last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges settings. So here you can just apply the return and exchanges in 30 days. So buyer is responsible for return shipping costs and any loss in value if an item isn't returned in original condition. And if you want to apply this one, just click on apply, and if not, you can just click on change policy and then click on create policy, and here you can adjust it the way you want. You can refuse the returns and also refuse the exchanges, or you can just leave it on. And you can also change the time frame. The buyer must contact me and ship the item back within 30 days of delivery or less or more, and then click on save and apply. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.